Billy and the Cenderawasih's Journey. In the beautiful land of Papua, there lived a special bird named Cenderawasih. His plumage had unique patterns, each feather a masterpiece of nature's art. One day, Cenderawasih caught the attention of a curious boy named Billy. They quickly became friends, exploring rivers and lush forests together. Cenderawasih, with his captivating beauty, showed Billy a magical place, a hidden waterfall surrounded by vibrant flowers.
"It's beautiful!"
exclaimed Billy. Cenderawasih expressed joy through his vibrant presence. Billy nodded, understanding the importance of caring for the environment. From that day on, they worked together to protect their home, teaching everyone the value of friendship and taking care of our planet. And so, in Papua, the friendship between a young boy and a uniquely beautiful bird became a joyful story of discovery and caring for the world.